And it covers 37 villages, and it's a very challenging work to do because most of the people they are come forward for this vaccine. So we have community resource persons, and we have a team of
Happening for the first time across India, and this is specifically for the aspirational districts. So it's a collaboration which is formed where we are getting Samaj Sarkar and Bazaar, which is if we are only working with civil society organizations, the problems are not going to be solved. We also need government intervention. We also need there are a lot of corporates, there are a lot of CSR bodies who wants to fund money, who want to invest in development sector, and we all have to get all of them together. So this is a very large big platform where we have government body also, where we have civil society organizations also, and where we have CSRs, philanthropists, funders who wants to invest money. So therefore, we are doing it on all the 112 aspirational districts, and this is happening for the first time. This is an initiative by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and this is going to the overall objective is that we are here to stay for another 10-12 years, and for the upliftment of the society to eliminate poverty. This is the ultimate objective that we want to serve. But in doing so, because there are so many problems, there are diverse problems. There is so NITI Aayog is already working on different dimensions, whether it is education, health, livelihood. Because these are aspirational districts, they are lot of challenges from all the domains. And if every one of us, be it the civil society organization, be it the government, be it CSR, we don't come together, we will not be able to solve the problem. So this is a space. In later half, we are actually also trying to. We have come up with an app which is called Mera Yogdan app, where we will have the details of all the civil society organizations and plus the CSR. So suppose there is an organization in Jaisalmer who is working in livelihood, and there is someone in Ri-Bhoi who is also working in livelihood. So can they collaborate? Can we get the ideas about what is happening there? So if you will be in that platform, which you will do in the next 2-3 hours, how are they going to learn from each other? What are the interventions that is happening there, and how can that can be adopted here? But the whole idea of engaging with the local community, with local NGOs is because it's aspirational district, there are challenges, and the challenges are also very local. So till the time there is not local bodies who will take ownership, the problems will not be solved. Because how far a very local NGO will understand problems like
digital education program where we teach them to, I don't know if it is visible or not. This place where we have set up the school, there is no network. So, and electricity is also, it's very erratic. So we have a system supported with solar, and we run contents, educative videos through this system. And this picture is of our students. They have a Nutri kitchen garden where they used to learn, and also like out of the garden they would cook midday meals for themselves.
Eduwell Mission Society began in the year 2005, and primarily its aim was to cover only Umsning area, but today it has grown to the whole of Ri-Bhoi District, developing and empowering through education, social and health dimensions of the people. Basically, the organization was started in the year 2005 under the name of Umsning Parish Educational and Welfare Society, and later on it was changed to Eduwell Mission Society on 10 February 2014. Therefore, the area of jurisdiction was further extended to cover the entire area of Ri-Bhoi District. Much progress has been made in the field of skill development. The society has a vocational institute and skill development center to impart skill knowledge in different sectors, which it believes that those who pass out from here will find avenues for gainful employment and upward mobility. Free skill training programs of short-term duration in tali, computer networking, floriculture, embroidery, woodwork and poultry farming. And the motto of the society is serving for progress, and its vision is to spread the knowledge related day-to-day living in all spheres of life, especially targeting the youth force.